Hi gang, George and Lynn here. We are at Polk Township Nature Park. This is on Route 534 near Kresgeville, Pennsylvania. Today is Saturday, September 2nd, 2023. We found this nice little parking area just off the road, and took a little walk back here, and we found some pretty interesting things, as we'll show you as we continue with the video. Along the trail, you can find benches such as that one near the stream, where you can reflect on life. Another noteworthy thing is I've seen quite a few of these along the way. There are trees, fallen trees. Obviously some have been cut down, some just from old age, I imagine, but there's a number of stumps like this. It's very interesting what I've seen. Some of them working their way back into the soil, nourishing others. Have come across a few mushrooms. Crows in the background. Always pleasant. The trail is nice, just what it should be. Not a baby trail, a little rugged, just the way we like it. Also, there's a fair amount of moss, probably in any forest or nature park. But this one seems pretty cool that it seems to be growing on the roots of a tree. There are a lot of rhododendrons. We're going to work our way back to the parking lot, and we're going to find that there is a tunnel made from the foliage. Look forward to that. Also, there are a number of, I'll call them bridges, on the walkway. Check this one out. There's a lot of stagnant water, or very slow moving water. Seem nice and sturdy. Lots of very tall trees here. Just give you an example, like this one here. Wow, nice. Sun peeking through. Up one and down the other. Also noteworthy is the trails are marked. Not sure if you could get lost here. I imagine you could. Bug landed on me there. But such as that. And another little walkway. Here we are entering the tunnel-like area. There's Lynn and Charlie up ahead. 20. But this is cool. Try to keep this camera steady. I don't have the selfie stick, of course. Left it in the car. Here's the entrance and exit to the tunnel. Very nice area here. Nice shade. It's always good to get out and take a walk in a wooded area, a park, anything like that. Clears your head very nicely. Here we have another one of the stumps left in the ground. But also here, we have a nice little cluster of mushrooms. Very nice. Lots of ferns also in this area. Okay, we continue on. Many areas like this along the way. Fallen trees, cut trees. Moss growing on them, and of course mushrooms. Just like that. We're on our way back from Polk Township Nature Park. And just off US Route 209, on our way back to Palmerton, we have a covered bridge just off 209. Without a stop sign there, you just turn right and or left in this case, and there it is.
Nice.
It's a nice one. I'm not sure exactly what the area is called where it's at. However, you'll be able to find it. And thanks, Dave T, for letting us know about this.
Thanks, Dave.
I hope you look at it.
Yeah.
Looking at our videos.
All right.
Please subscribe, share, and like our videos. And we'll see you on the next one.
See you next time.
Okay.
Take care. Bye-bye.